In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Microsoft Outlook open on startup, or in other words, when your PC first starts. So to do this, press Windows R, and then in this dialog box, type in shell : startup. No spaces, no capitals, and then click OK. It will take you to this folder. In this folder, we're going to right click and then new and then shortcut. And now we type the location, where the location is going to be Outlook Mail : and then click next. And you can name this shortcut. I'm going to name it Microsoft Outlook, then click on finish. And once you're done, you'll see it work by the icon changing. It should change to the Microsoft Outlook app icon. And once you have that, just exit out of this folder. And just to make sure that it will work, go on to Startup Apps by going to the search and then typing Startup Apps. And then in this list, just scroll down until you see the shortcut that you created. It should be a anonymous file icon and then not measured. And then make sure it is enabled, just to make it work. And now everything should be set up, and when you first start up your PC, Outlook should open up within the first few minutes or so. Hopefully this helped. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.